Welcome to this new video in which I'll show you how to copy and paste with Automa. To extract text and reuse it in the template. All too often, I see the same mistake, i.e. using the clipboard block to simulate a Ctrl-C, i.e. copying a text, and using the press key block to simulate a Ctrl-V, i.e. pasting the text. However, to copy text, i.e. to simulate a Ctrl-C, you need to use the get text block, and to simulate a Ctrl-V, i.e. pasting text, use the forms block. I'll show you the correct method, and you'll see it's very simple. Let's say I want to retrieve this text. First, I need to identify the CSS selector corresponding to this text. To do this, I open Automa's element selector with the little target. I hover over the text in question and click on it when it corresponds to what I want. I click on it, and there I get the corresponding CSS class. Then I copy it in Automa, in my get text block. I paste the class I've obtained. I tell it to save it in a variable I call text, for example. For the record, I use an active tab block to return directly to the current active tab. So let's have a look at the result. That's it. Let's check the Automa logs. Success in the variables. And that's it. I've retrieved this text. So there you go. To copy a text, you have to extract it with a get text block. Then to paste this text somewhere else, for example in Google, let's say we want to enter a search in the search box. We'll use a forms block to paste it, since most of the time we're going to paste text in a form element. The same principle applies here. I need to identify the CSS class assigned to this search box. So, same principle. Automa's element selector. I click on it. I copy the value. So, in Automa, after extracting the text, I need to open the Google URL. To do this, I'm going to open a new tab in which I'll enter the Google URL. Then I'll use the forms block to paste the text. I'll paste the CSS class I've previously determined. Next, I'll enter the value of my text variable. To do this, I use the mustache syntax, i.e. double brace, data source. We'll look in the variables, dot, the one called text, close the double brace, do a little automatic alignment for a prettier look. And that's it. So now we can do a test. I return to my original site and start the workflow. And that's it. The copy-paste worked perfectly. It's as simple as that. A get text block to copy text and a forms block to paste that text. Don't try to do it the way you, as a human, would do it, i.e. with Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. So, no clipboard block or press key block to simulate pressing the Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V keys. We simply use a get text block to extract text and then a forms block to paste that text elsewhere on the web. You haven't understood everything. That's normal, I assure you. This wasn't a training video, but a demonstration. Because the aim of my training is to teach you how to master Automa progressively so that you'll be comfortable using all templates. Did you like this video? Please feel free to like, comment, and share it. That's what keeps me going. And if you have any ideas for templates for future videos, let me know in the comments. And of course, if you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe to my channel.